Kurwa, zdech.
Este es el mejor momento para cualquier agricultor, la hora de la cosecha. Nomás miren esto. ¿Cómo la ven? La hora donde todas las horas y la inversión da frutos.
Showed you how we harvested our potatoes, and now it's time to show you how we wash and pack our potatoes. First, it goes through this veg polisher, and then it goes to the Drop Picker 5000. Now, this machine is amazing. Its sole job right now is just pulling out the white potatoes, as well as the potatoes that have some rot or scarring on them. These are all the potatoes that have been booted, and then after that, the potatoes get a hand grade. Now, this job may look fun, but I can promise you it is mind-numbing. The potatoes then get a mechanical size where it goes into 3 different sizes. These potatoes are looking absolutely beautiful. And I did find this ultra rare looking potato here, 1 in a million. So I am selling it online. Holler at me if you want to build that potato collection.
'Cause they say that I'm a bad kid, all because I'm paid from these stories that I'm
Prepare. Ouch. Make sure this doesn't happen to you. Sign up for
I thought I had it. Oh, no. No, don't do it, you bust.
for 36 months. Meals will automatically come to your house 2 times.
Oh, son of a bitch.
With standards.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end,
Yar yar dar üstüne ah yar giden yar. Yar 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 yandım. Yar sevmiş yar üstüme. Yar sevmiş yar üstüme. Yar sevmiş yar üstüme. Yar sevmiş yar üstüme. Yar sevmiş yar.
Two oceans in between us, and away from the shore, there's a gate I see.
Hello, I am down with Stan and he's in the Fendt 936 Vario, and on the back is a Lemkin Diamant 11 plough. Up he comes at the end of the run. He will drop the press, lift the plough, and then Stan will do a figure of 8, a loop round, so he can then pick up the press on the way back. And then the press goes back over the land that's just been ploughed, consolidating that back down to keep the moisture in, and it also levels up the ground. So thank you as always for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Có lắm gian nan, ai ai cũng thấy khó khăn. Đời xa con biết rằng mẹ chắc đang nhiều lo lắng. Dưng dưng những lúc mẹ gọi, mọi việc dẫn con hết lời. Lần nào mẹ cũng đã hỏi, Tết này về không con? Tết này con sẽ về, dù ở đâu con cũng sẽ về. Để đem hết chuyện kể ba nghe, đêm giờ vừa vô bếp phơi nè. Tết này con sẽ về, mẹ đừng lo và chờ con nhé. Nói con yêu Tết phơi nè là chỉ khi thấy con buồn tuổi chờ.
Kurwa, zdech.
Oh, Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you